Corfu is one of the largest and most picturesque islands in Greece. The island of Corfu offers a variety of beaches, from the most picturesque to the more calm and cozy ones, where you can have a great time. In addition, you can go on various boat excursions with different programs, including visiting different caves, snorkeling, and swimming in beautiful bays, as well as try some great traditional food right on the boat. But in this video I would like to tell you what else is interesting on this island and worth your attention. Let's start with Paleo Furio Fortress, which is considered one of the most beautiful fortresses on the island of Corfu, thanks to its strategic location and breathtaking views. It was built in the 13th and 14th centuries by the Byzantines and later expanded by the Venetians. The fortress was an important object of defense against attack by sea pirates and other enemies. Today, the Paleo Castrica fortress is open to visitors and offers a great opportunity to climb to the top and enjoy breathtaking views of the sea and surrounding countryside. Spianada is one of the most famous and largest squares on the island of Corfu. The history of this square is associated with various events and transformation over the centuries. In Italy, the area where Spianada is located was used as a wasteland near the Corfu fortress wall. In the 16th century, the Venetian rulers began to transform the wasteland into a park, but the work was suspended due to the plague. Later, in the 18th century, during the French occupation of the island, Spianada was rebuilt into the unique square. Over time, Spianada became the center of cultural and social life in Corfu. It became a place for walks, concerts, festivals, and other events. Today it remains one of the main symbols of the city and popular destination for locals and tourists alike. Liston Street is one of the most prominent streets in the old town of Corfu. It is located next to Spianada Square. Today, Liston Street remains a popular place to walk, especially among tourists who enjoy visiting the cafes, restaurants, and shops that line the street. Here you can also find various souvenir shops and places where you can buy traditional Corfu products and gifts. Liston Street is considered to be one of the main attractions of Corfu town and attracts many visitors for its unique atmosphere and beauty. Walking through the ancient streets of Corfu, you can visit the church of St.Spyridon. This is one of the most important and prominent Orthodox churches on the island of Corfu. This church is special to locals and pilgrims alike, as it houses the relics of St.Spyridon, who is considered one of the most revered saints in the Greek Orthodox Church. Pontikonisi is a tiny island. It is translated from Greek as a mouse island. The most popular legend about the origin of the island is that it is actually the ship of Odysseus. The king of Ithaca angered Poseidon with something, and the lord of the sea turns the ship into a small piece of land. It is also worth noting that it is located directly opposite the runway of the airport of Corfu, where on the bridge you can watch the planes flying right above you, and you can also take great photos. The Achillion Palace is built on a high hill in a picturesque location overlooking the Ionian Sea and mountains. Its history is linked to the famous Austrian Empress Elizabeth of Austria, also known as Empress Sisi. Corfu was Elizabeth's favorite holiday destination, and she wanted a palace that would satisfy her fascination with Greece, its language and culture. The architectural style was designed to recall the ancient palace of the mythical Syria. The motif centers of the Greek mythological hero Achilles, from whom the name is derived. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to support this channel, like and subscribe to get more interesting content. Thank you for watching and see you soon.